Welcome to another edition of More Food, Less Space. This is a project we're working on to show that you can get a lot of food out of small urban spaces. And this is our first aquaponics setup that we're working on. Today we spent the day, or at least the morning, and actually I didn't even do it, but Tuan spent the day getting the PVC posts cut and anchored in with rebar. We've set them at 4 foot. We did want to go wider on the actual structure size, but it was just too wide. So we basically dropped it down to 16 feet, which will still give us a tremendous amount of space. Remember, these systems, when properly set up, can put out an amazing amount of food in a very small space, which is the whole idea of this project. We'll tinker with design changes as we go along. One of the things we're thinking about doing is these are 6.5 foot sidewalls. So we're thinking about maybe cutting them again at maybe 3.5 feet and putting a T here and having an additional bar go across for added strength. We're also going to be covering it with a roll-up type poly, and it would probably be good to have that extra material to hang that poly on. Once it gets hot, then we have to roll it up. But so far it's looking good. I wish donations were coming in as fast as we're getting this thing put together. But that's what happens when you passionately believe in something. You just have to keep doing it no matter what the circumstances. We'll move the rest of this cardboard over. We'll get this side framed. We'll start to get the roof on. And then we'll attack both the baseboards and the sideboards if we're going to put them on. So this has been another edition of What's Happening at Phoenix. And more food, less space. Sustainable food for a sustainable community.